Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular notifications, I started one Telegram channel. So the channel link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in my Telegram group. Okay. And in this video, we are going to see the different teaching position vacancies in one of the deemed to be university. So here the huge vacancies are there from the huge number of departments, and there is opportunity for the PG, non-UGC NET, UGC NET and the PhD candidates. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Dayalbagh Educational Institute, so deemed to be university in Agra. So actually it is a rolling advertisement, that means you can apply at any time. Okay, so based upon their process, okay, they will call you the interview. Fine. So here the faculty positions are there for the professor, associate as well as assistant professor, contractual post, guest faculty and the adjunct faculty in its various departments. Okay, and the departments or programs you can check down: the drawing and painting, English, Hindi, home science, music, Sanskrit, accountancy and law, applied business, economics, foundation of education, pedagogical sciences, agricultural engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical, civil, footwear technology, botany, chemistry, physics and computer science, mathematics, zoology, economics, management, psychology, sociology and political science, School of Architecture. And coming to the vocational programs: dairy technology, renewable energy, automobile, textile design, commercial arts and pottery and ceramic design, telematics, digital manufacturing, robotics and artificial intelligence, greenhouse technology, tourism and hospitality management, banking and finance, IoT, telecommunications, food processing and preservation, water sanitation and waste management, agricultural technology, accounting and taxation, apparel design or manufacturing, bamboo and wood technology and recycling and woodcraft design. So huge number of departments are there. Okay, and the reservation as per the state or central government of India, and the qualifications as per the UGC regulations. Okay, and coming to the emoluments for professor, associate and assistant professor, it is a level 10 category. That means the salary is 57,700 rupees per month and the allowance also will be provided. Coming to the guest faculty, 15,000 rupees per lecture, maximum up to 50,000 per month. And the contractual post, entry level pay of the respective post in teaching hierarchy, and the adjunct faculty maximum up to 8,000 rupees per month. And it is a rolling advertisement applicable to the professor, associate and assistant professor contract post, guest, adjunct faculty, which will remain valid up to the academic session 2020-21 up to 30th/6/2021. As and when sufficient number of applicants are received, the interview shall be held. The notification for the same shall be available on the institute website also. The institute shall update the vacancy positions periodically. So whatever the departments I mentioned right now, if you are having the post graduation with non-UGC NET or with UGC NET or PhD, so you may apply to the respective departments, guys. Okay, so here the broad area of specializations are also given here based upon the departments. So you can check down. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may carefully go through all the details, okay, regularly. And few general instructions for the teaching posts are also given here. You have to submit the online application form that is in the official website of this college. Okay, so the national eligibility test, SLET or SET, remain the minimum eligibility for the appointment of assistant professor. Okay, so for assistant professor, the candidates who are having the net select or set, you may apply. And for the adjunct faculty and for the guest faculty, I think it is not necessary. So please go through all these instructions carefully, guys. Okay, here the contact number is also mentioned. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, you may contact this number 0562-257-0372. Okay, so these are the details, and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, So both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science. So both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best guys. Thank you very much.